Can you really save money on a low income?
Yes, it's possible to save even with limited funds. While saving may seem challenging, small, consistent changes can make a big difference over time. By focusing on realistic strategies, anyone can start building a financial cushion, whether for emergencies or future goals. Let's explore practical tips designed specifically for those working with a tight budget.
What are the most important first steps?
Start by tracking every expense. Understanding exactly where your money goes is crucial. Write down all purchases, even small ones like snacks or coffee. Create a simple budget based on your needs and priorities. Cutting unnecessary spending, even by a few dollars a week, adds up over time, making it easier to reach your savings goals.
How can you reduce everyday costs?
Focus on essential spending and find small savings. Shop with grocery lists, cook meals at home, and take advantage of store brands or discounts. Use public transportation when possible instead of driving or taking taxis. Consider swapping services like babysitting for a neighbor in exchange for something you need to save cash on everyday necessities.
Are there simple ways to increase savings?
Automate your savings, no matter how small. Even $5 or $10 per paycheck makes a difference. Most banks allow automatic transfers from checking to savings accounts. Treat savings like a bill you pay every month. Stash away unexpected money, such as gifts or cashback rewards, to build your fund faster without impacting your daily budget.
Where can you get extra help or support?
Explore community resources and government programs. Many cities offer food banks, reduced price utilities, or transportation assistance for those with low incomes. Look into credit counseling from reputable nonprofits for budgeting support. Joining local groups or online forums can connect you with tips, deals, and encouragement from others in similar situations.
What's the most important mindset for saving?
Be patient and celebrate small wins. Saving money on a low income isn't about making huge leaps overnight. Every dollar counts, and progress may be slow at first. Focus on building consistent habits and don't get discouraged by setbacks. Over time, your efforts will add up, empowering you to reach your financial goals.